What's up, guys? It's DOC, and I want to welcome you to take this walk with me and Puddin, guys. That's right, me and Puddin was out deep into the woods of northern Alabama right here, and it was a beautiful walk out here today, guys. I've got a full video on this path right here, and I've got some long video coming up as well. But guys, sit back and enjoy this short video of mine and Puddin's walk today, guys. She found some new trails today. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah, that's Puddin, I tell ya. Yeah. No, Puddin. No, come on. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Leave it. Come on. Put. Nice. Come on. Leave it. Night, night.